All right, traders, it's TeamWithERVING here. Welcome to our Monday, November 2nd, 2020. So today someone asked me about two different pairs to reanalyze it as today is Monday, real time. So one of them was Euro USD, and I will give you the other one as we go in the chart. So the title of this one is How Will the Election Impact Forex Market on Euro USD? All right. So, and here you are trading with TeamWithERVING. Let's go. Let me show you exactly what Euro USD is doing. And also I'm going to show you the video that I did on Saturday so that can make sense with you. So whatever you are doing, so you can understand that here trading with multiple time frame is the solution of your AA games. So here it is, guys. I gave you this pair on our pre-week analysis. If you want to go back and check the video on Saturday, I told everyone the market is in a bearish position, right? So we all know we should be looking only for sell. The market in Euro USD is only selling. But the question that it was doing on Saturday, guys, to be ready for today is November 2nd, 2020. So tomorrow we are gonna have the USD presidential election. So why is the market is gonna perform? Basically, before I forget, guys, let me go ahead and write something here. So two people sent me a message, Irving, what kind of system are you trading? So I'm trading, let me go ahead. We are trading multiple time frame system. This system belongs to TeamWithERVING. It's not associated with anyone else. Okay, just wanted to make sure I bring that up so you guys won't have to ask me that question again. But this is what I showed you guys on Saturday. I said the market was not fully ready there yet to be in a buy position. The brothers and sisters with the magic arrow was giving us a buy direction, right? So which is fine. That's exactly what the market was doing at that time. But I say here, I told you guys the market was gonna drop a few more candles before the market really gave us a signal as a bullish position. But remember, what kind of bullish is this pair doing this week? This week, the market is doing a PV equal VV. So basically what it means is the pullback equal buy business. If you don't know how to trade pullback, stay away from pullback, period. Other than that, you will blow your account. So this is what I clearly said that there was market was gonna do on Saturday, right? So now pay attention here. Our rules are awesome, guys. Trading with multiple time frame is the solution of your business. Look at here, brothers and sisters come in with the magic arrow, and then look at who else just firm. Look, I said the market was gonna drop. Perfect hit, guy. Perfect. From there, I said the market was gonna do what? Market will come back and retest our 61.8. This is real time, guys. Remember, and let me go ahead and give you the Forex disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and grab hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Wait. And hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. That is exactly what we're here for. So this is what I said. Market's gonna come back in here. Look at here, guys. Market is doing exactly what I told you. Look at this is real time. Market basically is dead, guys. We just waiting for what is gonna happen tomorrow. Are we gonna be keeping the same precedent, or we're gonna change command of chips? So this is why the market is not really performing anything. Everybody's on the standby. Please, guys, if you don't want to trade this week, stay away from the market. Period. Stay away from the market. Just learn from this experience. This is very unique week for everyone to learn what kind of traders you want to be. But the system is doing exactly what I told you here. Look, perfect, nothing wrong. So hopefully that person that sent that message, I clear your doubt that our system is on point. So it's doing what the system is telling us the market is doing. So good job on that. So the first leg is ready met. So today is Monday. To tomorrow, we are gonna be meeting in our private session with our room with our traders. So most likely, maybe we could do a meeting like around 1 or 2 Eastern time, so we can go over if you guys want to do that before the election. And so like that, we have a lot of rooms to talk about it. But look, the market is performing, guys. If you guys take this trade on the 5 minute, oh my goodness, you guys will be making the cash, a lot of bread in there, guys. There's a lot of money in there. But the next pair that the person asked me to analyze was the Euro AUD. So I'm gonna go ahead and do only these 2 pairs today, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna have to meet anyway. So I just want to kind of like prove you guys that our multiple time frame does work. All right, so this I gave you guys on Saturday, and the next Euro AUD, I gave you that pair yesterday. Yesterday was 11/1, 2020. So this is the very first week of November, trading the whole month. Hopefully, our goal here is to squeeze 75% of winning ratio. That's what we're here for. That's all I care. I don't know what you want to do. But I think 75%, guys, is a damn pretty good number, to be honest. I have my light on. I just turn it on. I think a 75 is a damn pretty good number. So let me go ahead and show you what Euro AUD is doing. So you can agree with me and work with me. All right, so look, this is the second pair that person sent me. So Irving, can you please do a video in private one-on-one with me? I said, no. I'm not gonna do any one-on-one. If you want me to do one-on-one, you can book one-on-one with me, and I will teach you how to trade and take my time. But I'm not gonna give you that video just to you, and I was ready to make a video, show it to the world, show it to my team, that what I say on Saturday and Sunday is top notch. This is not signals, but it's working based on what I told you. Look at here. This is Euro AUD. I told you the market was doing what? Market was in a PV, right? It was in a buy position here. So on Sunday, the market was just have only this arrow here, telling us the market was where? Market was dropping. All right. So on Sunday, I say, okay, market is sitting in here. What is the market is gonna do? The market is gonna give us a small push up, giving us a small PV before the market continue in a bearish position, because all I care here is doing bearish, guys. Do bearish for the remainder of the month or the year. You will be doing well, believe me. Look, I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. Look, perfect hit, guys. It's like I predicted 100%. Remember, we are trading multiple time frame. We trade with rule. Just because the sell is here, the buy is here, buy, sell is there, I'm gonna take the trade. No, we have rules, and we trade with what? Wait. We trade with what? Wait. We trade with rules. That's what we do here. So we trade with rules. I said the market is gonna come back and retest at 38.2 Fibonacci. Boom! It did exactly what I told you. From there, I said the market was gonna do what? Market was gonna drop. Look at that. It's dropping. Guys, it is dropping. How simple this stuff can be, guys. And we here live. This is live trading, guys. It doesn't matter if the market is off or the market is moving. The rules are the rules. We trade with a specific rules. That's it. So, all right, guys. So this is hopefully answers the questions of that person that was asking what kind of how Euro AUD was doing and Euro AUD. So here it is. Hopefully that answered your question. If you want to sign up, let us know. So remember, we are trading here with multiple time frame. The link is below. If you want to grab our license of our multiple time frame, you are more than welcome to do so. So it's there. All right. So thank you for coming in. I think I did answer your question and best of my knowledge. So if you do still have a different opinion, let me know. we can discuss this now behind scenes, since now I show it to everyone and everyone can agree. If you want to sign, if you're not ready to sign up for the multiple time frame, there is a link below if you want to subscribe to our gold membership area, so you can see how we trade with specific rules. All right, so thank you so much. Remember, we are here collecting hundreds and hundreds of wait and hundreds of pips. Let's go, guys. Thank you. God bless you, and go out and vote. Take care, guys. Boom! Team with Irving is on fire. It's that simple, man. All right, that's all I have for you guys. God bless you. I'll see you tomorrow. All it matters is Team with Irving. All right, thank you, guys. I will leave you. I got stuck on my tongue. All right, guys. So thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow then.